So this is ice karting here in the Netherlands, and I'm joined by Bram, who is a karting world champion. And once again, Bram and I are going to be fighting each other, but this time on ice.
And I'm going to win this time.
Now, I've driven karts in the wet, I've driven karts in the dry, but this is something completely different. Ice is way more difficult than anything else. Let's do it. Wow, I've never got into a kart and there's literal snow inside, and I've definitely never driven a kart with these studded tires.
Bye, Cameron. See you on the other side.
See you on the other side.
Let's see how slippery it is. Oh, that's very weird.
All right, cool. This is going to be a big learning curve, I think. I've done something similar in Japan, in the Japan karting series, where it was a drift kart, but it was only an oval, and it definitely wasn't on ice. Oh, this is a different level.
Flick it in, full power, drift around. Can Cameron keep up? No, he can't.
Bram was a natural on ice. His inputs were smooth and he was getting great rotation before apex, but me on the other hand...
Oh, oh no. Oh, it's fun.
Now you may notice just how smooth the track surface is right now, and that's because it's been freshly Zambonied. We're the first ones to drive on this track today. But just like an ice rink, the more we drive on it, the more grippy the track's going to get. These studded tires are going to absolutely rip through the ice surface, actually creating a lot more grip wherever the racing line is.
Oh, this feels like my first day at Ebisu when I was learning how to drift. You gotta really rewire your brain from normal circuit racing because you never really deal with understeer on this level. Oh, wow, that kind of hurt actually.
And just like a drift car, these karts are super understeery unless you know how to drive them properly. But that is much easier said than done.
Tandem drift. Oh, don't hit the inside camera.
I was trying to set myself up for a 360 there, but it didn't work. Oh, no.
And he hit the wall again.
I don't think I've ever hit the barrier so much in a go-kart.
This practice session ended up being less about fine-tuning and more about trying not to crash. So honestly, we're going into race one pretty blind.
Oh no!
Today's winner, after all, will be whoever wins the most races, and if there's a tie between us, then there will be a bonus point for fastest lap. Also, to keep things fair, we'll be swapping karts between the races because tires actually wear faster than normal on ice, so you'll see why that matters later on.
Oh, Bram is fast. He's leaving. He's gapping me right now. Oh, oh, the full front end just yeeted. Oh, he's doing 360s. Okay, he's showing off now. He's just showing off. That's what happens when you take a karting world champion, ice karting. Oh, look. God, he's already on the inside. Come on. Oh no. Oh my God. Ow. Oh, I got actual whiplash from that. Oh, that's pain.
Now, what you can't see on the cameras is that these barriers are actually full of ice, so every time I bump into them, it's essentially like hitting a concrete wall. I'm not even exaggerating, that is the hardest hit I've taken in years.
Oh man, this kind of practice feeler session is honestly, I thought I was going to be way more up to it by the end of it, but honestly, we're coming to the last couple of laps here, and man, I think Bram's going to whoop my ass in the race, but hopefully I can put it all together. That was intense, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's quite funny, and it's actually really difficult. I think if you can master this, you can master driving in the wet as well.
That was our kind of practice / mess around run. Now it's time to actually race wheel to wheel, and I'm not feeling super confident about it, so let's see what happens.
And if you aren't already, make sure you're subscribed because the last video of 2024 is going to be an insane ranking video of all 32 tracks I visited this year. And the final sale of 2024 for the Karting Handbook is happening right now, but more on that later.
Okay, so race one. Let's see who comes out on top.
Oh, so much wheel spin. Oh, that was so anticlimactic.
So now going to the first corner. We're ahead of Cameron. He's gaining on us already.
Now in the two fastest karts because these have the newest tires, and oh my God, the grip difference is huge. Oh wow.
That's some dirty racing right there. Probably wasn't intentional, but now Cameron is into the lead. Shall we give him a little taste of his own medicine? Why not? Let's go for the dive bomb here into this next corner. Oh, Cameron spun out.
Come on. I need to try and catch him off guard, but I can't really do it off the grip line. Looks like these tires can hold way more angle than the last kart. Oh, so much easier through there now. I'm not even going full throttle because I actually have grip.
Kevin's right up my ass. He spun me around.
Oh, I tapped him a little bit there and he almost spun.
Now he's going for the inside probably. Have to leave him a little bit of space there. He's going up the inside.
Oh, he's still got the momentum around the outside. Come on, come on, come on.
Oh, we retain the lead for now.
Over under. On the power, on the power, on the power. Yes.
But here Kevin goes with the switchback maneuver. What a great overtake from him.
Oh, he's got the inside again. Oh my god, this is so much fun.
Oh no!
Oh no, he spun.
Shit, that's a bad mistake from my end there. Kevin's going to fly into the wall there. Boom. Should we give him the same treatment as in the practice? Oh no.
Oh no.
There he goes again.
He almost sent me to that wall again.
That almost went wrong, but now we do the switchback and we rocket back into the lead. Kevin's going to fly back up the inside. Oh no, we both spin.
We both spun.
What the hell's going on?
No.
But luckily for me, I wasn't the only one making mistakes.
Oh no, I've spun! Shit! That was quite a big hit actually. This is actually a really close fight because we're just both spinning out so many times. Here Kevin comes again.
Now the thing is, if I win this race, or Bram wins this race, but then the other driver wins the other one, then it's going to come down to whoever has the fastest lap. So I still need to think about lap time here a little bit. Can't fight too hard, just in case that happens.
And by the way, Bram and I have already battled at 2 other Dutch tracks in this series, so make sure you go check out those videos if you haven't already. Now, clearly, I focused a little bit too much on lap time because I kept getting carried away with way too much speed down the straights, and...
Another big hit for Kevin there.
Oh, that hurt. That hurt. God, I've had more concussions at this ice track than I have in my entire karting career. In the race cars, though, I had a couple. That's for sure.
Oh, shit.
Oh man, that was a bit greedy from me. Try and get that perfect neutral steer if possible. I think neutral steer is kind of almost a little different in these karts because the slip angle is so wide, so you can actually have the steering, you know, in theory oversteering, but you're still kind of optimal acceleration because the slip angle is just so wide.
I feel like we've got our speed down here pretty good. We're pulling away from Kevin by quite a bit, and that's because we are using this outside part of the track, which has a more rough surface compared to the shiny ice here on the inside.
We definitely each have our corners that we're good at. I think we put both of our best sectors together, we'd be in a completely different spot.
This is turning into like the last lap of the FIA Karting Championships. Now we do another switchback. Kevin's going to fly into the wall again.
Yeah, this really is like, it has so many similarities to driving the wet, but also so many differences. You really have to search for all the tools in your driver toolbox to be able to like deal with this.
And if you want to expand your driver toolbox, make sure to check out the Karting Handbook. It makes the perfect Christmas gift for any karter. More info down in the
I
description.
can't afford to make any more mistakes, and Bram's leaving me now with that big mistake that I just made, so I need to put the pedal to the metal here.
Oh no! Kevin's catching back up to us. Oh. Only 2 more minutes to go in this race. If we want to win it, we will have to overtake Cameron and stay in front of him, not make any mistakes. Oh no, mistake there. And we go back up the inside. Use another switchback move here. Give him a little bit of a love tap.
Oh, that was a bit of a naughty bump from him. Oh yeah, he's really digging these tight lines here. Oh no! 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 Right in front of the camera. Right. No. There's only a couple laps left. Oh, can I catch him? I gotta pray for him to make a mistake now. Oh no! Still a minute and 20 seconds remaining. Oh, I'm not, it's not out of reach. It's not out of reach. Never give up. Come on.
Come on, turn, you lazy bastard. No, we spun.
Oh, here we go. This is the opportunity we needed. Come on.
Switchback move.
Oh, this is gonna be close.
Let's see if we can turn this into an epic last lap battle. He's probably going for the switchback on us.
Oh, up the inside.
Elbows out. He's going to squeeze us into the wall, but now we have the inside for the next corner. Hello, I'm still here.
Come on.
I'll defend for the inside now. Karen's pushing us along quite a bit.
Oh, he's keeping it really tight on the inside, so I can't really peek a nose in there.
rocket out of the chicane.
Oh, ouch.
I can hear Cameron catching back up to us.
No!
Oh no, he's crashed.
No! No, on the last lap. But it's okay, we still got one more race to go. And if I win that one, we'll be tied, and then it will come down to fastest lap. So I need to now win the next race and get fastest lap to win. Not my best day at the office. Okay, so the first race is done. Bram obviously beat me. It was really close racing. Definitely made a huge difference having a kart with much better tires than in the practice session. Now Bram and I are going to swap karts. We're also going to swap sides on the grid. And now I basically have to win this race and get fastest lap in order to beat him today. This is going to be fun. At least we're doing better than these people. Okay, here we go, race 2. This time I'm starting on the right side, which I think is the more grippy side. That one had 0 grip, so have fun with that, Bram. We swapped karts now, so we'll see who's really fastest. Oh, whoa, maybe it was just me being really bad at managing wheel spin. He had plenty good start.
Oh, Kevin's into the lead. He goes around the outside. He squeezes us to the inside here.
Pinching him off there a little bit. Yes, we've got the lead.
Oh, it feels like there's a lot more grip this time around.
Bram's right. I definitely have a lot more grip in this kart, but that didn't stop me from making mistakes.
Going up the inside here. Oh, he just about squeezed through. Now we'll have the outside. Maybe we can do a switchback.
He's going to try and over-under me here, so I need a good exit.
Yeah, we can get the power down now.
I think that kart's got like crazy power. I'm not going to lie.
Understeer. Big understeer. And we get the lead back. Now we overshoot the chicane and Cameron goes back up the inside.
I've got to keep Bram behind me for 10 minutes. I've literally got a karting world champion on my ass right now. This is feeling clean, it's feeling nice. Just missing this power on the straight. Oh yeah, you could almost do this corner flat. Oh my god, it's completely different. Okay, we're definitely both improved our precision quite a bit here. To be fair though, the track's probably changed a lot since there were a bunch of drivers on it in between the last 2 sessions. So, I mean, it's obviously been, I want to say polished, but it's actually the opposite of polished. The surface is way rougher now than it was before, which is definitely giving us a lot more stability.
Cameron appears to have found a pace a lot more this time around, so I'm really having to focus to try and keep up with him. He just needs to make a tiny little mistake, and then he's ours. Oh no, there he goes. Can we go around him? Oh.
I had to take him out for good measure, but it didn't quite work.
Guess that's P1, boys. Oh no, we've made a mistake now as well. Oh, close it. We need to close the door here, otherwise Cameron's going through. Maintain the lead for now. Let's see if we can get a good run out of the final corner. Traction. He's up the inside. We defend aggressively, but we just can't get this thing rotated properly. We're struggling a bit more than last time, and Cameron's back into the lead now.
Oh, there's the overtake. See you.
We get a super good run here. We'll go up the inside.
Oh, we're tandeming.
We're still alongside. We have the inside for the next corner, but this thing is just not rotating.
Oh yeah, he sent a lot of speed on the entry there, but now I've got the opportunity maybe for a switchback. Oh, I'll try it around the outside. Ah, nicely defended. Oh, a little tap, little tap. Are we gonna go too wide through here? Oh, on the power.
Oh, and we hit the wall again. Maybe now we'll have a bit more turn in. This is actually a super close battle right here.
Come on, come on, come on.
Oh shit. Going to sneak it up the inside here once again.
Oh, nice send. I've got the exit. Little switchback action.
Oh, Kevin's come around us again.
I still need to make sure I get this fastest lap. Otherwise, he's still going to take the W even if I win this race.
Honestly, a lot of the skills I'm implementing here on ice are the same skills I would implement in the wet. For example, the racing line in both wet and icy conditions changes as the race goes on. So you'll notice I'm taking different racing lines pretty much every lap because I need to find that grip. And if you manage to find those magic sweet spots, it literally makes you look superhuman.
Oh, that was clean through there. Come on. Oh, we're gapping him. Oh yeah, it's just really nice rotation, dancing with the throttle, dancing with the brake. And the steering is really just a consequence of what we're doing with the pedals. That's a technique I teach in the Karting Handbook, and it applies exactly the same in ice as it does in the dry or in the wet. Steering with the pedals. That is the trick to unlocking godly lap times.
The Christmas sale for the Karting Handbook is live right now, and it is literally guaranteed to make you a faster driver in 2025. More info down below.
Cameron's just pulling away from us here. I feel like this time we got that rotation game not on point. We're just losing time every corner. Oh, that's a big mistake there.
Keep in mind that winning this race isn't enough for me to take the W today. I will also need to get fastest lap in order to win overall. And you best believe I'm trying my hardest, because it's not every day you can say you beat a world champion.
Oh, this is looking clean. Are we gonna take the W? Oh, no, 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 big mistake, big mistake. Oh no, no, I bit off more than I could chew.
Oh no, Kevin spun.
Oh, it's gonna be a battle on the last lap. Oh my god. Oh, what have I done? Oh, I'm not gonna have to go defensive now.
So this race is on again with just over a minute to go, which is 2 laps. So this put us right back into the race, and we now can mount another attack on Cameron.
Oh god, he's right on my ass right now. Oh.
Maybe if he leaves the door open somewhere, we could try it. But in this race, Cameron appears to have the upper hand on us, and I am afraid that he's also going to take fastest lap here.
Come on. Oh, that was close to the wall.
So he made another mistake there.
Oh, that mistake almost killed me. Come on, is this the last lap or do we have one more? Oh, come on. Push, 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 push. Oh, no, 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 no. Don't make me. Oh, come on, come on. One corner. And we did it.
So we're tied for points, but then who got the fastest lap?
Right.
Yeah, that was good, man.
Yeah.
That was fun.
Okay, moment of truth. Who got the fastest lap?
I think it's him. 39.4.
Oh, I just edged out.
Yeah. I think actually 9/10 on ice is not that big of a gap. I think on a normal track, of course, this is a massive gap. But
No, in here, I think that's the window, the delta is much bigger.
Yeah.
So, well, I can finally say I beat a karting world champion.
I think it's not a bad thing to lose to a Formula 3 driver. So.
It's true as well.